and keen, counting on so smooth and clean. Number 14, neat and clean, watch how clearly numbers gleam. Number 15, halfway seen, counting strong and sounding keen. Number 16, crisp and keen, counting numbers in between. Number 17, moving ahead, counting strong in what we've said. Number 18, count routine, practice makes our counting keen. Number 19, feeling neat, almost done, keep counting sweet. Number 20, hooray, today we counted all the way.
Thanks for watching BaaBaaTv. Please subscribe our channel.